Hello, my name is Sharon and I've been a Boogie Mites practitioner for many years now. I'm also a performer. I've worked in the West End in Miss Saigon and Bombay Dreams. I've toured nationally and internationally in Sharon Jones and Barnum and travelled as far away as Hong Kong and Japan. Following on from having my children, I decided to stay closer to home, and that is when I became a Boogie Mites practitioner, passing on the joy of music and movement to the next generation. I still perform and can be seen in Disney's live action production of Beauty and the Beast and the sequel, Mamma Mia 2, Here We Go Again. I was also invited back to the 25-year anniversary production of Miss Saigon at the Prince Edward Theatre. I'm going to continue performing and doing Boogie Mites, so join me as I deliver sessions via our Boogie Mites Home Club page.